Hello and welcome to Play PKN, the weekly video bulletin of the top news stories on PKN Packaging News, Australia's media hub for the packaging industry. I'm PKN's publisher Lindy Hewson, and this week's episode is brought to you once again by Ball and Doggett, Australia's largest distributor of printable materials for packaging and the creator of the Ecoporium by Ball and Doggett platform. Well, what a big week it has been in packaging. First up, the breaking news is that Orora Group is making a strategic move to acquire French-based global bottle manufacturer Saverglass for an enterprise value of $2.156 billion. Orora says the deal will help to take it to a position of one of the world's biggest glass bottle manufacturers. Saverglass has a 33% market share in the high-end spirits bottles market, and around 2/3 of its revenues come from the high-end bottles market, with the other third from premium wine bottles. Saverglass will become the centerpiece of Orora's global glass business unit and will operate as a third platform for growth under the leadership of Orora and the Saverglass management team, who will remain with the business. The acquisition will add more than a quarter to Orora's revenues of $4.3 billion, with Saverglass sales reaching $1.2 billion in 2022. With the huge US market in its sights, Brian Lowe, CEO of Orora, said, "This strategic acquisition further strengthens our existing glass business, establishing Orora as a global player of scale in the attractive premium segments." Then Melbourne contract packing operation Alapat Taylor has invested $25 million in an expansion to its beverage packaging plant in Preston, with the installation of a new canning line, including a KHS Innerfill Compact C filling system. The new integrated canning line marks Alapat Taylor's first foray into cans, as the company builds on its thriving bottling business to expand its offering to customers in Australia and overseas markets. Across its two sites in Melbourne, Alapat Taylor has 5 bottling lines with 60 million bottles per annum capacity. The new canning line will add 27,000 cans per hour capacity for 375ml cans, and the line is also capable of handling sleek and slim cans. Next up, over 100 ANZ team members, customers and supplier partners joined the Bev-Cap team, which is part of Tricor Braun, for the opening of its new Western Sydney manufacturing facility on Coronation Avenue in Kings Park. The project, which took more than 6 months to complete and cost in excess of $2 million, has been a joint effort between the teams at PB Packaging, Bev-Cap and Cormac Packaging. The new 2,500 square metre purpose-built injection moulding facility, nearly 3 times the size of Bev-Cap's former site, enables the ANZ team to serve customers better by bringing warehousing back in-house and meeting required industry certifications for potential future growth with dairy, food, nutraceutical and pharmaceutical customers. The facility has 16 injection moulding machines ranging from 80 to 380 tons and will produce a wide range of caps and closures, multi-part closures and grease cartridges. Then Melbourne-based flexible packaging specialist Filton Packaging, which is owned and run by Ryan Worthington and Lionel Phillip, has bought Australian Contour Packaging, that's ACP, an Australian manufacturer specialising in flexible packaging, contoured sleeves and bag solutions for the food industry. Ryan Worthington told PKN that both businesses will benefit from the synergies the deal enables, with ACP's strong sales force complementing the technological expertise that Filton brings to the table. All team members of ACP will become part of the Filton Packaging family. The companies will remain operating from the 2 sites, that's in Dandenong and in Hallam, under the Filton Packaging name, with possible site integration in the pipeline. And then in other headline makers this week, and see, I'm wearing my badge, the Australian Institute of Packaging hosted a gala dinner in Melbourne to celebrate its impressive 60-year legacy and mark the special milestone in the company of past presidents, AIP fellows, lifetime members and VIP guests. A night of festivity and fun ensued. It was punctuated by video messages from industry association leaders from all over the world, congratulating the AIP on its fine achievements in education in Australia and beyond our borders, and confirming the respect it has earned from these global bodies, and well done to Nerida Kelton for an outstanding event. Then blister pack recycling initiative Pharmacycle is gaining momentum on the back of successful trials and interest generated from ABC's War on Waste series. The company says trials resulted in 100% of material recovery. The aluminium is used to produce aluminium pucks for steel making or as part of a technology for thermal energy storage. And the plastic is currently used for eco-aggregate, although the end goal, of course, is to be able to put it back into packaging. The Arnott Group has released its third annual sustainability report, recording notable progress against its targets with headway in the areas of packaging, recyclability, emissions reduction and tracking, and sustainable sourcing of ingredients. Details of packaging progress in the story on our website. In an industry first for the corrugated sector, OjiFS Solutions, one of Australia's leading manufacturers of pulp, paper and wood fibre-based packaging solutions, has introduced a recoverability message on pallet flags to help its B2B customers to correctly dispose of the packaging that is used to transport their product. And then finally, onto some quick product news. Frucor Suntory's V Green is getting a design refresh for the first time in 26 years with enhanced flavour and updated packaging, and they've teamed up with TBMC and Red Cactus to develop the design concept. Plant-based beverage brand Milklab has partnered with Tetra Pak to fill its oat and almond barista milk range into single-serve carton packages produced locally in Ingleburn in New South Wales. And then lastly, Nestle Professionals brand Nescafe has entered into a 3-year partnership with public health promotion charity RUOK and has unveiled a limited edition yellow 1 kilogram tin of Nescafe Blend 43 designed by Lionize with paper label by label makers and tin by Visi. The tins also feature a QR code that guides Aussies through RUOK free resources to help understand when and how to ask, are you okay, in the workplace, schools and local communities. Very important. Well, that's all from me this week. For more on these and other stories, head over to our website, packagingnews.com.au. Thank you, as ever, for watching.